Question 4 is about function machines. You've got a function machine where when you put a number in and multiply it by 5 and subtract 3, you get a different number out. The table shows different inputs and their corresponding outputs. So when you put 1 in and multiply it by 5, you get 5. If you then subtract 3, you get 2 out. If you put 2 in, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 take away 3 is 7. You have to work out the two missing values in the table. What do you get out when you put 7 in? And then what do you have to put in to get 47 out? So this one first. Put 7 in and multiply it by 5 is 35. Take away 3 and the output is 32. For the next part, you could go through this question using a method of trial and error. Experiment by putting different numbers in and see what comes out. Alternatively, you could think, what number have I subtracted 3 from so that I've ended up with 47 as my output? Well, that number must be 50, because 50 take away 3 is 47. And then you think, what number had to go into the function machine so that when I multiplied by 5, I got the answer 50. And that number is 10. Check that. 10 times 5 is 50. 50 take 3 is 47. Now we've got a different function machine with the first stage multiplied by 3 and the second stage is missing, and you have to work out what goes in here. Now if you put 10 in and multiply by 3, you get 30. What came out of the function machine was 60, so you have to work out what operation goes in here so that 30 will turn into 60. And there are two possibilities. One is that you add 30. The other, well, 60 is double 30, so the alternative is you could have multiply by 2.